Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Children's Remote Control Car Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
This 2.4G remote control stunt car delivers exciting flips, spins, and turns with ease. Featuring sound effects and vibrant lighting, it brings extra fun to playtime. Durable and multifunctional, it's perfect for boys and kids, making an ideal Christmas or birthday gift.
Number 3.
This children's remote control gesture sensing battle tank offers thrilling four-wheel drive and off-road performance. Designed with mecha-inspired style, it responds to hand gestures for dynamic control. Perfect for boys, it combines fun racing, interactive battles, and imaginative play, enhancing coordination and creativity during exciting adventures.
Number 2.
Features: the new upgrade simulation Tyrannosaurus Rex shape, can simulate the behavior of dinosaurs in calls, multifunctional climbing arm, power transmission structure, reasonable distribution of kinetic energy output, flexible over obstacles, equipped with a full range of mobile Mack wheels, easy to deal with a variety of terrain.
Number 1.
This multifunctional rescue fire truck and police car toy combines alloy durability with sound, light, and water spray features for realistic play. With ejection and track functions, it encourages imaginative storytelling while enhancing motor skills, coordination, and problem solving. An exciting educational toy for boys.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.